Hello YouTube, this is Mark Woods for another video. Here to ask you guys, when do you think about your mids and highs through your build? I know it took me like about a whole entire year. You know what I'm saying? What do you like most? Do you like, the highs better, or do you like the hard bass better? You know what I'm saying? Me, myself, personally, and you guys all know I like the bass better. So let's check out a couple little things. And then, now another thing I want to ask too, since I'm looking at this battery connector, is which type of battery connector do you guys prefer too? Do you prefer the screw in, or the lug in, so it's two different ones. This one, you tighten it up, when you put your, your 0 gauge wire in there, and then it's tightened up on the side right here. This one, you'll have to use some, some wire terminals to screw onto it. So, and I'm really thinking about this one better. I like this one better because it, lasted longer in the hood. I had it in the hood for a long time. Let's see if we can get a look at that. 250 amps. Yeah, I was gonna look for the 300 watt ounce though, but 250 amps would be just fine. I'm gonna have two volts running through the back. So let's get to this unboxing, y'all. Let's get to this unboxing. I'll do this like a one-hand jelly. Let's and like, they always say my Home Depot knife. Pretty sure that everybody that had worked at Home Depot has got one of those. All right, let's get one of them out. I don't have to take all 4 of them out. Oh man, it's got a little weight to it too, by the way. Man, it's not light. It's not light. It's not light. Hold on for a second. Just had to get my hands free. Let's go ahead and cut it open, y'all. It's only one of them. I'm not gonna open all 4 of them. Just gonna open up one of them, cause I got 4 of these. Yeah, these are the PRV. I don't know why I keep saying PVR. The PRV audio. These the slim kind. The bullet range. 4 ohms. Let's check her out. Let's check them out. All right. That's all I got in the box. Oh, no wires. And see, that's what I was anticipating on right there too, that these guys have any wires. So it looked like I got to go buy wires for them. Because I need to have everything ready when I go through the installation. All right. And just remember, I got 4 of these, not 2, not 1, not 3. I got 4 of them. 4 of them to go in each door. So, surround. This is a nice looking speaker, man. I'm really hoping it fits into the door though, but it should. It's a slim fit. So I'm real anxious to get these, installed. Let's take a look at the magnet. Let's see. Hold that down. All right. The magnet is pretty big on these though, by the way. Got a nice size magnet on these. I mean, these gonna definitely be way more powerful than what I have in a car. 125 watts RMS. So Oh man, you guys gotta get ready, you know what I'm saying? So the installation for these are coming soon. You know. I hope you guys like the video, and if you do, hit the like button. If you're new, you should consider subscribing. This is Mark Woods. I'm out.